So, okay. Next Omegle video. Today I'm meant to be dressed up as the evil cupcake from Five Nights at Freddy's, because why not? I thought this might be fun to take on Omegle, because who doesn't want a sweet treat with a bite? If you'd like to learn how to do this makeup for yourself, I'll pop that link on the screen up there. But with that said, let's jump on Omegle.
Don't bite it.
Hey!
What the fuck? What the fuck? That's so scary. What the fuck?
Nice.
Thank you.
This next one.
It's a cupcake!
The Chica cupcake.
Oh my god! You're the coolest one we've seen
This
ever.
looks sick. This is good.
Thank you.
Oh god, this is so amazing. This is like
Hi.
Yo, what? Bro, you look like my dead diseased grandma, bro. You so ugly.
You're rude. They should have hung around for a little bit longer. They could have blown out my candle and made a wish. Could have wished for some manners. Or double the size of their cock to 2 inches. Hey!
Dick Cheney?
Yes.
Yes. Why is a candle coming out of the head, though?
What? It's a candle. I'm a cupcake.
That scares me.
I'm not trying to be scary. I'm trying to be delicious. And moist. You didn't like the moist. That was the line. I crossed it.
What the?
Hello.
Fuck! The makeup is great.
No, that ain't even makeup. That's a whole AI or whatever filter.
No, it ain't.
I wish I was that good. I wish I could do
Oh
filters.
my gosh!
Hi.
Oh, fuck you, bitch.
No, thank you. I have standards.
Can.
Oh, whoa, what the hell?
Oh my god.
Wait, no, that's a YouTuber. That's a YouTuber. That's that dude who does like insane makeup. Wait, what is your YouTube? I literally watched you before.
See, now how do I answer that? What if I get it wrong?
Yes, it is him,
Oh,
bro.
God.
It is him. Yo, I love your makeup, man. Keep it up.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Oh no way! I know who you are. I know who you are if it's not a video. Fuck. Holy shit, that is sick. Hurt, man, hurt.
Freddy! Freddy, what are you doing, Freddy? Freddy, what are you doing? Why? Why? No! No! No, don't look, you're too young for this. Oh, good God, no! What are you doing? No! Oh, God. Oh, you finished, Freddy. Oh, bless you. Stamina not your thing. What? Hello?
Hello. Are you gonna kill me?
No.
Your makeup looks cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ah, well, you're lovely.
Thank you. Is that a cupcake?
That's my child. I just realised that when I nod, my candle wobbles. That makes me very happy. Hi! Oh, from one dessert to another. That's a very nice looking spotted dick. Maybe less custard next time. Hey! Hello.
What's up?
What was a candle?
That's lit. Literally. Got him.
Hi!
Holy shit.
Yo, bro, you being like that, that's why your dad left you.
Yeah, but your dad was quick to replace mine, and he was very good to me. Very.
Yo,
Yo.
this is crazy.
Thank you.
Is your whole body painted black or just the top?
Everything.
Really? What the fuck? Let me see. Holy shit, even your booty.
I'm not showing you my cupcake booty. Puppy!
I've seen this way with both of
Oh
you.
my god! Oh my god!
That's crazy.
Please
Please
pat the
subscribe.
puppy. Come on. What? Oh my god. I'm sorry, I'm mesmerised by now. I can't do anything else. I'm too focused on the puppy. Oh my god, you're so amazing!
Carl?
Why?
Yo, that looks sick as fuck!
Thank you.
I did not expect that voice.
What's that voice?
It's a cupcake!
Oh no. Oh, let's sneeze.
Bless you.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh, it's so hard to sneeze in all this. Oh god. Oh my god, that was horrible. That was horrible. Let's not do that again. Freddy! Wait.
You know what's gonna happen now.
Please don't. Please don't do it again. No, my god! No, not Monty! Don't. Oh, why Monty? Monty, stop! I'm too fucking fragile for this. No! Oh, my innocence is ruined.
Freddy, what the hell? Logan, what the fuck is that?
Hi.
Oh, what's up?
What the? My candle.
What is that?
It's my candle.
Wait, is that makeup?
Yeah.
Is it really?
No, I'm a real cupcake.
Is this you? Is this you?
Yeah, that's me.
Oh my god, dude, that's cool. I just subscribed.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, it's a unicorn. Oh, for fuck's sake, why are people molesting plushies on this website tonight? I could have gone my whole life without seeing that, thanks. Appreciate. Jesus.
Hey.
Hi.
Fuck. Ew. Ew.
Ew? That's not very nice.
Wait, is that like a fucking... Wait, can you like move around? Is that like body art? Or is that like a CGI thing?
I'm not clever enough to do CGI or filters. I just stick stuff to my face and hope it makes people smile.
Holy shit! God, that's actually a body art! That's insane! Holy shit! I thought that was like a CGI thing. Holy shit!
Damn, bro.
Damn.
You sexy ass.
Thank you! Oh. I'm a sexy cupcake. Hi! Oh my fucking god, your candle's bigger than mine. Oh. Oh my god, I suddenly feel very inadequate. My poor little candle. Don't look at me! Don't look at me! Hello!
Okay, that's cool as fuck.
Thank you. Hello.
That is really good.
Thank you.
Nice icing.
Thank you! Oh my god, you probably shouldn't go on this website and tell people you like their icing. I don't think it'll go well.
No, I'm just gonna walk up to a random person and be like, hey, I like your icing.
You never know with this website. I try not to judge.
Hello.
Hello?
Wait. I feel like I know you. Wait a minute. There's only one way to know. You look bad. You did terrible. I'm waiting for you to roast me.
Why would I roast you? You seem lovely.
Honestly, that is amazing.
Well, thank you.
Are you...
No. Hi! Why do you want to see people's belly buttons? I mean, that's the most innocent of orifices you could actually ask to see on this website, but why belly buttons? Oh my gosh.
Right, now just... Wait a second. I can't tell if that's a real person or that's a VR thing. Like, is it a filter? Or what?
I don't know how to use filters. I've never been that clever. Do you like my candle?
Oh, hey. Oh.
Hi.
Oh, hey.
Oh,
I've
hey.
seen your videos.
Thank you.
Oh, your makeup is fucking awesome.
Well, thank you. I'm a cupcake.
Aww.
Is that a candle?
Yeah, it's my candle. Thank you for noticing.
Anyways, how do you get the teeth on there?
With glue, you fucking idiot.
No, like how the teeth are
I'm
made.
glad they said it.
What about the candle?
The best thing is if I do that, it jiggles.
That's actually amazing.
Kitty!
Yeah. Your makeup is so crazy. It's
Thank
awesome.
you. Oh my god, you're Pat the kitty.
Oh, that is cool.
Thank you.
Bro, that's so cool that
I see these videos. I've seen his videos before.
this guy's a fan of you.
Yo. You look like me if I had teeth.
And a candle.
Yeah.
Don't forget the candle.
Yeah. The eyes and all that. Yeah.
I don't often say this on this website, but your head is so smooth. I just want to touch it.
You want to touch my face?
So smooth. Oh. I'm destined to never touch the smooth one's face. Fucking hell, I need to go to bed. It's like 6 in the morning.